It's awesome finding furniture and things for my home that can be refinished to look new. Chalked paint is one of my favorite products because it's easy to use, doesn't require a lot of prep work, is easy to distress, and ends up giving that vintage chic look that I can customize as I choose. Chalked paint is so versatile. It can be used on bare and finished wood, glass, ceramic, metal, and laminate. Using this table, I'm going to share some simple techniques to help you create your own masterpiece. Here's what you need for your project. Chalked paint. Rust-Oleum's is great. It's fast and easy to use and dries to a velvety smooth finish. A drop cloth, 180 or 220 grit sandpaper, a 2-inch high-quality paintbrush, gloves, a lint-free cloth, and hardware. Priming is not required for most projects, but to prevent bleed-through of certain types of woods, just add 1 light coat of cover stain or bin primer to the wood. Spread out your drop cloth. You only need to sand on high-gloss surfaces. Use fine grit sandpaper and lightly scuff the surface for maximum adhesion. Remove all hardware and drawers. Wipe the table with a cloth to remove any dust. It's easier to get a smooth finish when the pieces are independent and can lie flat. Choose a high-quality synthetic brush for best results. Apply the chalk paint with even coats, brushing in the same direction. Chalked paint applies with 1 coat on most surfaces. When using a light color on a dark table, 1 to 2 additional coats may be required. You can apply up to 5 coats for your desired look. The easiest way to distress chalked paint is with fine to medium 180 to 220 grit sandpaper. Hold the sandpaper with the tips of your finger and sand the corners and edges of your piece to get the desired look. The more you sand, the more the original finish will show through. For rounded surfaces, wrap the sandpaper around the surface. For added durability and protection, apply 1 to 2 thin coats of chalked ultra matte top coat with a clean, high-quality paintbrush and let dry. The top coat helps prevent watermarks and is easier to clean. Attach your selected hardware and put the drawer in place. And here you have your own masterpiece.